Solving printer problems in Windows printers have a reputation, and it's earned. Here's a sequence that solves most problems without losing your temper. Begin physically. Paper, ink, or toner, no jams, and check that the printer's own display isn't showing an error. Then confirm the connection, a cable that's fully seated or the printer joined to the same network as your computer, which is by far the most common wireless issue. Next, in Windows, open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners, and check that your printer is set as default and not paused. Open its queue and clear stuck jobs, because one failed document blocks everything behind it. If jobs won't clear, restart the print spooler service. Then reinstall the driver, preferably from the manufacturer rather than a generic one. For a printer showing offline despite being on, remove it entirely and add it again, and check whether your router gave it a new address.